everyone, I'm Summer Cartwright, a Bahamian who currently attends an American university, and today I want to talk about something every Bahamian knows a little too well: hurricanes. Yep, those giant spinning disasters that always seem to have the Bahamas on their Google Calendar. But today we're not talking about the stress, we're talking science. Why do hurricanes love the Bahamas so much? Let's break it down. Think of hurricanes like the worst smoothie ever made. To blend one up, the atmosphere needs three ingredients: warm ocean water, at least 26.5 degrees Celsius or 80 degrees Fahrenheit, moist rising air, and low wind shear. When the sun heats the ocean, water evaporates and rises. As it rises and cools, it releases heat, and hurricanes love heat. That heat is their energy source, so the more warm water they sit on, the stronger they get. The whole storm starts spinning because of the Coriolis effect, aka Earth's twist, and boom, weather blender complete. Now, why us? Why always us? Scientifically speaking, the Bahamas is sitting in a prime hurricane real estate. First, we're literally in the Atlantic Hurricane Highway. Second, our islands are low, flat, and surrounded by super warm, shallow water. And shallow water heats up fast. Imagine putting a pot of water on the stove. Tiny pots heat quicker than a big one, right? Same thing. NASA data shows that shallow, warm water can turbocharge storms. This is why hurricanes love to intensify right before they reach us. They're basically charging their phones on Bahamian water. Let's talk about Hurricane Dorian, the storm every Bahamian remembers. According to the National Hurricane Center, Dorian jumped from a Category 2 to a Category 5 like it drank an energy drink. That jump is called rapid intensification. It happens when the ocean is hot, the air is humid, and the wind shear is low. And guess what? The Bahamas checks all three boxes very often. Studies in nature communications and other climate research shows that warmer oceans make rapid intensification more common. So yes, hurricanes are getting glow ups and not the good kind. Now, here's the important part. Understanding the science helps us protect people. If meteorologists know that storms strengthen quickly in shallow waters, they can improve evacuation plans. Engineers can design buildings that can handle stronger winds, and students, just like us, can understand how climate and ocean science literally impacts our daily lives. Knowledge doesn't stop hurricanes, but it definitely helps us stay ready. Thanks for learning with me. I added my sources at the end: NOAA, NASA, and the National Hurricane Center. And remember, hurricanes may love the Bahamas, but Bahamians are built different. We stay prepared, we stay informed, and we stay strong.